Have you ever wondered what it would be like to experience 6 months of continuous daylight followed by 6 months of unending darkness? This captivating cycle of perpetual day and night, known as the polar day and night, manifests itself in the Earth's polar regions. Take Svalbard in Norway, for instance, where the northern sun remains unyielding for half a year, only to surrender to an equally lengthy night. This fascinating phenomenon is a result of the Earth's axial tilt and its orbit around the sun. But how does this happen? How does our planet create such extraordinary conditions? Well, let's dive into the science of it. It all starts with the Earth's tilt. Our big blue planet doesn't sit straight up and down, but rather, it's tilted on its axis about 23.5 degrees. This tilt, combined with our orbit around the sun, is what gives us our seasons. Now, imagine a line running from the North Pole through the Earth to the South Pole. This is our axis. As the Earth orbits the sun, this axis stays pointed in the same direction. So, depending on where the Earth is in its orbit, either the northern or southern hemisphere gets more sunlight. But what about the poles? Because of the Earth's tilt, the poles take the brunt of this sunlight inequality. In the summer, the North Pole tilts towards the sun, getting sunlight all day and night. This is the polar day or midnight sun. On the other side, the South Pole is tilted away, trapped in darkness, experiencing the polar night. 6 months later, the situation reverses. The Earth is on the other side of the sun. The North Pole tilts away from the sun, plunging into the polar night, while the South Pole tilts towards the sun, basking in the polar day. So, it's not magic, but the incredible and complex mechanisms of our universe at work. Imagine living under these conditions. How does life adapt to such drastic changes in daylight? In the polar regions, life has learned to dance to the rhythm of the sun and stars. Animals have evolved in remarkable ways to survive this extraordinary cycle. Polar bears, for example, enter a state of walking hibernation during the darkness of polar night, conserving energy when food is scarce. Arctic foxes change the color of their coat for camouflage against the snow in winter and the tundra in summer. The plant life too has adapted to seize the endless daylight, photosynthesizing around the clock to make the most of the short growing season. And what about the humans? People in these regions have also tweaked their lifestyles to this unique phenomenon. Many embrace the midnight sun with festivals and outdoor activities, while the polar night is a time for introspection, resting and observing the mesmerizing northern lights. Polar day and night, a testament to the adaptability of life and the wonders of our planet.